Now, this video is going to be the first in several videos that we're going to be doing to talk about the specifics of Russian PVC pyramids. Our website, as you know, is called Only PVC Pyramids, and a lot of the people who came to the booth at the Global Pyramid Conference were asking that basic question: why are you using PVC pipe rather than copper pipe, which is what virtually every other pyramid is made of that's out on the market today? So not only is that important, but the geometry of the Russian pyramids as well. Now, there's a lot of research that goes into our pyramids. We look at a number of sources, but we've relied heavily on the research that David Wilcock popularized with the Russian research done by Dr. Alexander Golod, and we've relied on that heavily. On the website, we've also talked about the fact that the geometry and the building materials that are used by the Russians are also corroborated by the Law of One material. But there are other researchers as well, such as Ken Rolla. He's done videos talking about the fact that pyramids should be made from non-conducting materials. And that's what this first video is going to be about. We're going to do a series of videos and tests to show you that there is a valid reason for using non-conductive materials such as PVC pipe in the construction of the pyramids. So the first one we're going to do is going to show you the energy fields of two identical 4-foot pyramids done in the Russian geometry. What I've done is I've taken some of my connectors, made a 4-foot PVC pyramid, and then I've taken another set of connectors and actually made a 4-foot copper pyramid of the same size and geometry as the PVC pyramid. And we're going to use the Lecher antenna here in a moment. We're going to show you that there's a huge discrepancy in the fields as measured by the Lecher antenna. We're going to be testing once again for universal energy on the Lecher antenna. This corroborates again with the Russian research, with the Law of One, with information that Ken Rolla has out on his video channel, Fresh and Alive. And we're going to demonstrate it as well with the Lecher antenna. We'll be back in a minute to show you the results. Okay, we're now inside our dining room. We've set up two identically sized and shaped pyramids. The one that you're looking at now is made out of 3/4 inch copper pipe tubing, and the other one is the 3/4 inch PVC pipe. I've used the same connectors and the same geometry, obviously, in each situation. The tubing for the copper pipe is a little bit smaller on the outside diameter, so you can see if you get up close. I've actually had to put some rubber bands around the edge of each of the connections for the copper to hold it together during the filming. But we're ready now to begin looking at the energy fields. Again, we're going to start with the PVC pipe pyramid and test for universal energy. So you can see the energy field starts about 2/3 of the way up the pyramid, and we're going to test around the outside of the pyramid, again testing for universal energy. If you've seen our other videos, you may see that this the energy field is being detected a little bit further down than it would be on a larger pyramid, and that is due to the fact that in general the size of the pyramid does affect the total amount of the energy field. Now we're checking the inside, and you can see the area inside the pyramid, approximately 1/3 of the way down from the bottom, is optimal. Got one of our cats that's interested in what's going on here. So that's the energy field using the PVC pyramid. Now we're going to go over and do the same thing with the copper pyramid and check out its energy field. As you can see, the energy field is much less vibrant with the copper pipe. We didn't start to get a detection from the Lecher antenna until we were almost down to the ground, indicating that the field is much less robust with the copper pipe. And this corresponds not only to the research, but several of my customers have told me that they have copper pipe pyramids as well, and those who are particularly sensitive say that they may only feel the copper pipe energy field maybe a foot away, but they can feel the one with the PVC pipe anywhere from 10 to 15 feet away. So as you can see from the four sides, much smaller energy field, and now we're testing the inside of the pyramid, and you don't get any notice downward motion on the Lecher antenna until you virtually hit the bottom of the ground. Clear demonstration here that there is a great difference between the two energy fields, between the copper and the PVC. We're going to be doing other experiments, including some time-lapse experiments that we're going to be starting later today that we'll be back to you with as well. Hope this has been helpful, and have a great day.